What's up, guys? This is Will H Tech Review, back with another video. And today I got a package in from LG. So I'm super excited, super pumped about this. I've been doing YouTube for 6 years, and this is the first time that I've been sent out a review unit for a phone. I used LG phones in the past. They were my favorite brand, and I kind of got away from them. But here lately, I've been watching a lot of videos about the LG phones, and LG's bringing it. So I'm super excited to get this, and a big thank you to LG for sending this package out. So let's get into this package and see what I got here. So here's the big box, and I don't even know how to get in the box here. I guess I pull it here. So I got the LG Velvet. As you guys can see, I'm going to pan up just a minute. So the LG Velvet is in the house. Now this is a device that I've been watching a lot of my favorite YouTubers review, and I'm super excited about getting this. So you get a Playbook 2020 for the LG Velvet here. I'm definitely going to have to take a look at this, and you do get some more pamphlets and literature here. So, design and display. You guys want to pause that and read that. So you get that. And let's see what else. So the first thing in the box, what is this? This is the LG Velvet pedicure for your phone soap. So this is a device that'll clean your phone. So awesome. That is awesome. Put that to the side. Let's see what else we got here. You got your charging cable. There it is, Type C. And nothing else in that packaging. So let's take a look at the phone. Let me clear out here. So this is a nice presentation here. So I'm going to take these two out. Nothing else in this box. Very nice presentation here from LG. All right, so I want to go into the phone box first. You guys see I'm very excited here. So there's a piece of tape here. Let me go ahead and cut that. I've been eyeing this phone from other reviewers, and all I got to tell you is I think it's a nice device, and I'm very glad to have it. All right, so this is the AT&T brand, as you guys can see. LG Velvet, and I didn't go around the box, but LG for AT&T. So we're going to get the device out, set it to the side. It can wait. Texting and driving, distracted driving, can wait. So inside of this box, you get your quick start guide from AT&T, product safety and warranty information. You get your charging brick, which is fast charge, and you also get your your Type C to Type A, and you get your SIM card ejection tool. And I think that's it in the box. All right, so let's get to what we all came for. Here's the LG Velvet. Bam! So here it is. That's that silver. I think that's what they're calling that. Get this out of this wrapper. And this is beautiful. Look at it, guys. It has that shimmer to it there. And this Aurora Gray is really, really nice. Beautiful. It's a 6.8. The specs on the display. Let's go ahead and turn it on. This has a 6.8 inch POLED display, 1080 by 2460, 395 ppi. This is running the Snapdragon 765G processor. Has 128 gigabytes of storage, 6 gigabytes of RAM, and on the back you have a 48 megapixel sensor that is wide, 8 megapixel that is ultra wide, and then a 5 megapixel for depth. This can shoot 4K at 30 frames per second, It has a 4300 milliamp battery, and it is nice. So on the front camera, that is a 16 megapixel shooter that can shoot 1080 at 30 frames per second. Now this comes in the white, Aurora green, Aurora gray, red, and pink. So this is it, very slim as you guys can see. So on the bottom, we got our speaker, microphone, charging port, Type-C, 3.0mm headphone jack still on deck. You got your volume up and down, and I'm not sure if this is a power button. You got your SIM card tray, microphone, and you have another switch on this side, which I'm not quite sure. I'll notate it on the display. So that is it, man. This is very beautiful. As you can see, that display goes almost bezel-less there, and just beautiful, man. I'm excited to have this. So this is the dual string. This is something else that I'm very excited to try out, and check this out. I've been enjoying other YouTubers' videos about this, and just so excited about having this. And like I said, I can never thank LG enough for sending this over. I'm just throwing stuff around here, but I'm excited, man. So here's the dual string case. Ooh, and this has a nice, beautiful color to it as well. You have a string on the outside there. Here's the side of it. You got your switch, your volume up and down, and your power switch, I'm assuming there. Then here's your cutouts for your speaker, microphone, charging port, and your 3.5mm headphone jack. So this has a nice rich texture on the back of it. LG right here, LG dual string right here. Now it has a plastic feel to it, but it feels good in the hand. So here's the inside of it. There's the other display. You do get a quick start guide here, and this is the little adapter that you use to charge. Right there, it's magnetized. So the case, dual string case here is plastic. Let me go ahead and set up the LG Velvet first, and then we'll come back in and check out the case. Okay guys, so we're back in. I got my information in the LG. I didn't do a restore on it. I just did it as a new setup. This is the wallpaper that it comes with right here. And let's go ahead and take a look at the drop down menu here. So that is how it looks there. You can screenshot, mobile hotspot, screen recording, comfort view, file sharing, and things of that nature. Let's go into the settings, because I want to see just how much storage out of the box you get on this. So 30.8 gigabytes in use. You got 97.18 gigabytes free out the box. I see quite a bit of bloatware on here. You got a Quest game here, HBO Max, BNR, Bleacher Report. You have some other stuff here that's bloatware, and just a lot of bloatware here coming out the box. So I imagine some of this stuff can be removed. I will let you guys know in the later on in the process of reviewing this. This is your power button on this side. This is your Google Assistant button on that side. So yeah, that is that. This is nice, man. The 6.8-inch display looks great. Let me go ahead and show you the size comparison next to my Samsung Galaxy Note 20. As you can see, they're about the same length. The Note 20 is definitely going to be wider, and the Note 20 is thicker as well. So this is a very thin device here. And I did set up the fingerprint sensor. As you guys can see, I only did it for one finger, but there are the two displays matched up against each other. This display looks great so far. So let's go ahead and try it in the dual string case here. So it just connects right here, like so, pops in there, and then you get a move what's showing on one string to the other. It's giving me a little tutorial here, I guess. Oh, that tells you how to turn it on. So there's the dual string. This is awesome here. So I can get into my app tray there. And I can use both strings at the same time if I want to bring up YouTube over here. So there's YouTube. And if I wanted to go to Google here on this side, there it is. So that is awesome, man. Very awesome. And here's the complete package together. You can see your notifications on the outside. This is sweet. Oh man, this this is definitely nice. I'm gonna definitely throw my SIM card in this. Give the Note 20 Ultra a break, because this is very dope, man. So there it is there. And yeah, man, so this has been the unboxing of the LG Velvet. And I am digging this so far. This looks great. And I'll come back with, give you a follow-up on what I think about it in a few days or so. LG Velvet. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H, and I'm out.